Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about this social earning app that you can perform tasks on it and get rewarded. I have made a video like this before, and I've also made a video on my withdrawal proof. You can also check my channel. So our first withdrawal was $3 on it, and it took over 6 days before I can receive it. So today I made another withdrawal, $2, which you can see on the screen, and I received it within 3 minutes. So like I said before in my previous videos, that whenever you make withdrawal on it, you should just be patient. You will definitely get it, but we don't know the particular time that you will receive it, so it's just luck. So this is the recent one that I withdrew, and this is the initial one, the first withdrawal that I made. So the minimum withdrawal on this platform is $2. So if you complete your task and you get $2, you can withdraw. And in total I have made over $5.14. So let's say I've made over $5 on it. So how does this platform work? When you go to your dashboard, you'll see we have a lot of social tasks under it. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Telegram, any one that you know that you can do, you link them up and perform your task. Without you linking your social account, you cannot perform any task. It will show empty. So how do you link your social account? All you need to do is to go to your profile, click on profile. When you click on profile, scroll down, see this social media account. This is it. So I've linked over 14 of my social accounts. Click there, scroll down. So you can choose any social that you want to link. The first instruction is for you to put your username or your profile link. So when you put your username, they will generate a code for you. That code, copy it and paste on your bio on the social account that you are linking. So when you put it on your bio, you come here to verify. Take a screenshot of it, upload it in this platform and verify. So it will automatically verify. So any social media that you verify, that's the social media you can perform tasks on. So I linked my Instagram, YouTube. I do not link TikTok because my TikTok is very important. I linked my Telegram. I linked a lot of even Snapchat, Likey. Link the ones that you know that you can link and you can perform a task easily on them. So after linking, just go ahead, click on available task. When you click on available tasks, you can see we have Instagram because I linked it, but these tasks are no longer available. It's all full, so I cannot do it. The next one is YouTube. I have a YouTube task, so this one is for me to subscribe. I will just click on it, click on start task, click on the link here. This is the link. Click on it. So they will direct me to YouTube for me to subscribe to the channel they want me to subscribe. So I'll click on subscribe. I will take a screenshot. Let's go back to the platform, upload. Submit. So sometimes the review takes time, sometimes it's immediately. Just know that they will definitely review your task. Just hold on. You don't this app if you don't have patience, or let me say this platform, if you don't have patience, you cannot do it because sometimes they will delay, sometimes it's immediately. So but just know that they will definitely drop your reward. They will definitely drop it. So for now, is the app paying? Yes, 100% is paying, and it pays depending on your effort, depending on how you're performing tasks, depending on how you're doing on the platform. If you're not doing anything, trust me, you will not get a dime. So perform each task. I have a lot of tasks available, the ones that I linked. I have performed some tasks too. I have this one available. So another thing, apart from the task, when you do task, go to your profile, scroll down a little here. This is another reward when you're performing that, this achievement. So when you earn up to $1 on the platform, you will receive extra 0.10. You receive extra 0.10 dollar. So on the worker page, if I earn up to $5 on it, I'll receive extra 0.25, which is the rising star. So the more you earn, the more reward you will get, apart from the task you are doing. So let's go to the worker. When you perform a lot of tasks, I have performed 664 tasks on the platform. So if I perform up to 2,000 tasks on the platform, I will receive this $1 tax machine. So I have received this one, I have received this one, active worker, I have received this for working hard. This working hard is when you reach up to 500 tasks. So the more tasks you do, the more reward you will get, and you'll be able to withdraw faster. This one is the recruiter. When you recruit all over, I have received the first invite, which is the 0.10. I have received team builder, which is the 0.50. So the next one I'm going to hit is networker, which is you need 50 referrals to receive it, which is $1. So whatever you are doing on the platform, you are gaining from it. You are gaining from it. So the platform is nice. Do they take time sometimes? Yes, you need to be patient. And if you want to ask anything, they have a customer service. Just go to support, you see, ask your question and wait. It might take 24 hours, it might take 3 days, 4 days, but they will definitely reply you. So click on new tickets and you ask your question, you wait for them to reply. So this is how this platform works. Is it paying? By the time I'm doing this video, is paying. So all you need to do is just click on the link on my description box and start earning immediately. You can also join my Telegram channel for more updates like this, and sure you share this video.